You can put the icon here. Here, you just see my icon near 62%. Below on your right side. Here, below you, here. No, here. No, come left, left. Yeah, this one. Yes, please start.
Sir, I am Ravichandra Reddy, Municipal Commissioner, Tadepalli, Andhra Pradesh, sir, Guntur district. Sir, now I am presenting on activities conducting during the pandemic period of COVID-19, sir. Our municipality has taken a good steps to provide to prevent the pandemic situation COVID-19 to serve people. Number one, conduct awareness camps on COVID-19, sir. Conducted survey on impact of lockdown, distribution of medicines like home medicine, etc., sir. Special sanitation drive as we will conduct it, sir. Positive cases identification and primary contacts and secondary contacts as conducted. How to secure them from the COVID-19, sir. Announcement of containment zones. How to containment zones containment zones. Containment zones. The food and groceries for the needy people supplies during the pandemic situation. Yes, there is no work to the public. There is no public transport to the move from the one side to another side, sir. As well as masks distribution and initiated by state government to the public. How to use the mask? What is the use of the mask? The situation of the pandemic situation. How to escape the people we have allied the people, sir. Transportation, the migrant labor who came from other states like Chennai and other states throughout along the road, we have finding them and find out, and we have conducted relief camps for those fellows, and after conducting of relief camps, we will send them their destinations like throughout India, nine states, sir. Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Assam, Tamil Nadu, and in Andhra Pradesh, other districts, Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, and Toourpu like districts, sir. Both all the more of 4,075 migrant laborers we are identified and kept in a relief camp, sir. We served the entire whatever the needs to them, and we will build up their confidence to send them to their destination, sir, with the help of government of Andhra Pradesh, sir. During the first, the government of India has announced on 22nd Janata Curfew, sir, for entire country. Before that, 9th of March, this municipality has to preventive COVID-19. We have distributed the 20,056 households homeo tablets, sir, and another after during the COVID-19 March 25th onwards. First, we have started at least 150 meals packets to the needy people, sir. Those who are migrants, sir. But the starting from 150 packets per day, it goes 2,650 rice meals per day. We have distributed, getting from the donors. No more than 48 donors per day, sir. The entire meals and food grains, groceries, etc. The donors we will collect at our office center. From our office, we have provided vehicles and our staff, sanitation secretaries with the staff and volunteers. We have distributed among door to door for everybody, sir, because the people could not come out from their homes. As such, we will distribute it at doorstep, sir, because in our India, in our only one and a half on Andhra Pradesh having secretariat and volunteer system, sir. The system, the volunteer is safeguard for 50 households, sir. Every 50 households. That's why we are distributing the food packets, or groceries, or vegetables, water, everything, whatever the people need to the well distributed without any uninterrupted, sir. During the pandemic situation, we will make more arrangements, sir. We will make medical camps at at street level, sir. We will supply medicines and whatever the needs, everything, sir. Wherever necessary required, in our Tadepalli municipality is a fast growing town, sir. In our town, the more than 68 consulting structure, consulting officers are consulting works are going on, sir. In that consulting works, where all over the country, more than 2,554 laborers are doing their job, sir. During the COVID-19 lockdown, the entire builders have stopped their work, sir. That's why we are conducting survey and mobilizing the builders to keep them and provide whatever the needs required that workers, sir. Regarding sanitation, sir, we are conducting special drive, sir. Special sanitation drive we are conducting, sir. Every day we are using hypochlorite 0.5 as recommended disinfection surfaces, sir, as well as bleaching and bleaching. In addition to that, we are using 4 or 5 times 4 high-tech Japanese machines to spraying the entire towns in 23 slums, which is having in our Tadepalli municipality. We are using the 23 slums, the hypochlorite solution for each every corner, sir. The machines and the machines which is made in Japanese is flexible to the move from wherever the smallest going streets are. That means 5 feet streets also the machine will go and spraying itself. PPE kits we are using for emergency services, sir, as well as and when we are finding the COVID-19 positive cases, that case is identified when our staff will go there and entire house was disinfected to hypochlorite, sir. In addition to that, 11 power battery spares as well as to use for the daily spraying, sir. In our Tadepalli municipality, first we got first case at April 17th, sir. Only one case. Another 15 cases were identified in the May month, sir. After May, in the month of April and May, there is no death cases arrive in our town, sir, because we are taken the precautioners as well as we are supplying the foods for the needy people who agriculture labor, as well as there is no other income BPL families. There is no other income groups. We will supply the food for our doorstep. That's why there is no cases are increasing, as well as there is no deaths are occur during the month of April and May, sir. In the month of June, first lockdown is in open. We have got 151 cases, sir. Another, it can be increases day to day. July 337, August 288, September again 371, October it will come down 220, as November at the stage 48, sir. Yes, because it come down due to we are conducting many IEC activities as well as IEC activities and hygienic sanitation with good lines, as well as bleaching, frequently utilizing the Then we will come down the cases. The death cases also so far we are occurring 23 cases only, sir. That means an average is 1.66 average, sir, per cases. Totally in our Tadepalli, so far 1405 cases, positive cases occurred, sir. 1361 cases discharged and 23 cases only death occurred, sir. Death occurs, last death occur is October 10th, sir. So far, cases are discharged, positive cases are discharged 90.78%, sir. Because, and also we have conducted with the help of our doctors, 10,067 67 tests we are conducted in our town, sir. 10,067 and 2,333 comorbids, 943 ANC antenatal cases also we have tested, sir. 10,067 on an average, 100 to 150, 200 per day we have conducted for test, sir. And as and when symptomized, sir. During the lockdown, sir, we have take a good steps while making the barricading, sir, because the people not migrate one place to another place within the town also, sir. Within the town also, sir. We are government has also take much more steps, sir, because government has provided to entire district entire district so COVID care centers, sir. In our Tadepalli municipality having 2 COVID care centers, sir. One is 89 beds, sir. Another is 247 beds, sir. Another COVID care hospital is NRI also very nearer 3 kilometers within our town, sir. As and when any symptomatic case, any high comorbid case we have identified, nearly immediately we will 10 to 15 minutes we have taken into the hospitalization, sir. That's why number of cases low death cases occur in our municipality, sir.
Now you can conclude now, sir.
Sir, government has also provided 2,10,000 per each 3 masks provided to our municipality, sir. We have distributed for every household, for every person 3 masks, sir. In addition to that, the donors, Ramakrishna Matan, Chenajiyar Swami Matan, Chenajiyar Swami Trust also donated 25,000 masks to the municipality people, sir. We are also serve the public time to time, sir.
Okay, sir, you can conclude now, sir. Time is over, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, Dada, sir, so 23 more than donors giving during the tenure of the pandemic situation, sir. 81 worth of 81 lakhs 84,000 worth of food donated, sir. Major big achievement, sir. Migrant labor who travel from the along the National Highway 16, sir, which is passes through the Tadepalli, sir. We have finding that and catch them, and we conducted a big relief camp there. 24 hours round the clock we are taken there, sir. The migrants who were regarding other states like Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, and Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, sir. These people also we are nearly 4,075, sir. This camp is conducted 15th of May onwards to 22nd of May, sir. We are spending 16 lakhs of money for these people, sir, during the
Sir, please, time is over, sir.
Okay, 16 lakhs of money from collecting donors, sir. We are, yeah, all the with the help of our secretariat and volunteer people, sir. This is, sir. Yes, sir. In our Tadepalli, there is the pandemic situation. Yeah, we will decrease, sir. Now the situation is under control, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Panda, sir. Sir, unmute yourself, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Reddy. This is a good presentation, but see, as I see from your detailed, approach, in terms of your steps taken to prevent, to transport, medicine, quarantine, whole lot of steps. I mean, these steps are being taken by most of the places as you go around the country. So what is that so special case issue, a special case, a special step that you can say that this is, we have done this exceptionally and we stand unique so far as, addressing to the problem of COVID in Tadepalli. And second point, you see, COVID has no administrative boundary. Tadepalli municipality is just an administrative boundary only. But it's in and around, you have COVID around. How do you address to the surrounding situations? Tadepalli is just a unit in the entire area. So my question is that, you see, this is large. Are you taking along with you your neighbors, be it local bodies or the panchayats, along with you, because after all the population are on the move and they could be the carriers of COVID. So how do you address to that? Okay, second thing, see, this COVID period has caused a lot of unemployment, affecting the livelihood deprivation for many people working, like you said, about real estate sector. So what alternative you have thought of? May kindly reflect upon that.
Sir. Good evening, sir. During the pandemic situation, we have findings, sir, in our Tadepalli as having 23 slum areas, sir. Out of slum areas, more than 5,050 people are daily laborers, sir. We are identified, sir. In addition to that, small street vendors and other daily vendors, sir, we are identified, sir. For that purpose, we entire March 25th onwards, we are mobilizing the donors. Who donors? We are mobilizing the donors. We get it the donors from the food daily. We are serving the food for every day 2,650 persons per day at doorstep food packets, sir, as well as groceries, for more than 5,075 families. We are giving the groceries and vegetables, sir, because the nearby our Tadepalli, just Krishna West, Krishna South Bank is the Tadepalli, sir. Krishna North Bank is Vijayawada. Vijayawada at the time is very seriously affected COVID-19, sir. They declared as a red zone, sir. Another town is nearby our town. Another town is Mangalgiri also is nearby. Is also declared as a red zone, sir. We will educate the people during the COVID situation. IEC activities and banners, IEC activities, banners, and other activities we are utilizing, and people alarming us. What is the situation is there? We are maintaining control rooms.
Sir, we got your point, sir.
Everything, sir.
There is no point repeating it, sir, because you already told all these things. What is happening that what Panda sir has asked you, you are not replying those. You are repeating what you already presented. So he was asking something different, sir.
Yeah,
And
please, sir. Go ahead.
Sir, please ask.
See, I was asking, you see, the donations are not a solution in a sustainable. It is an immediate rescue measure. But we have to find employment generating, income generating activities in such situation where the COVID has engulfed us. So what the municipality has identified some of the areas where people gainfully engaged with. And what
Yes.
are you doing in this course?
Yes, sir. During the situation, we have utilized one opportunity, sir. Government has decided to entire Andhra Pradesh have distributed 16 crores of masks, sir. I have discussed with the government.
I'm not asking, Reddy Saab, I'm not asking that.
All right, sir.
I'm
sir. Let's break here, sir, because what happens that otherwise we keep on going. Oh, ladies, sir, thank you very much for your presentation.
12 lakh orders, sir, for masks to stitching out, sir. I have given the more than 700 and tailors. We have given the provide, sir, for that income generating, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
As well as PPE kits also we are
Right, sir, thank you
generating,
for
sir.
taking a lot of time, sir. Please, now we have to go to next presentations, please. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.